Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 4104 Onnalinda Drive overlooking beautiful Canandaigua Lake.
This is a spectacular home with a resort lifestyle and million-dollar views of Canandaigua Lake.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This entertainment-sized deck has million-dollar views of Canandaigua Lake. It's great for dining, relaxing, or just enjoying those views.
This is an amazing great room, featuring a fireplace, hardwood floors, and a wall of windows with spectacular Canandaigua Lake views. Just off the dining room is a white and bright kitchen with beautiful cabinetry and granite-like solid surface countertops and a maintenance-free tile floor. The upstairs features 3 spacious bedrooms and 3 updated bathrooms, including this very spacious and private owner suite with a spa bathroom. Also with easy access to the covered resort-style pool area. Create fun splash time or swim laps year-round with this amazing resort-style covered pool area. This spacious family room has it all. What a great place to entertain all your family and friends and to see the big game, plus an adjacent bedroom or office.
This is an amazing first floor in-law suite with a separate entrance, featuring a living and dining area, a kitchen, a full bathroom, and a spacious bedroom, all with scenic lake views.
This prime Canandaigua Lake view setting has approximately 1.5 acres. What a great opportunity to live the Canandaigua Lake lifestyle. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain. What a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 4104 Onnalinda Drive overlooking gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!